Schools have been closed for 5 months now with the aim of preventing the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. Many parents argue that this should continue even as the virus continues to be stressed amongst the population. My problem is that the kids will not be safe. They might get the disease at school, then come home and even spread it to us. Children are always children. We are still teaching our children how to respect the measures against COVID, how to wear the masks properly, wash their hands and much more. I don't think that we are ready. However, on the other hand, some students and parents say that it's time to live with this disease. We should go back to school because even businesses have continued as usual. Even the transport system is back to normal. They should let us go back to school. These are sentiments shared by education experts. A lot is happening today. We have teenage pregnancies on the rise. We have others going into drugs. We must look at all these repercussions that COVID has brought our way. Schools should reopen, especially universities, as these are adults and can follow up the measures that have been put in place. Some schools are not ready to be reopened. We still have schools that have not built the new classes and other amenities that are needed, so I don't think we are ready. From the 14th of March, when the first case was reported in the country, at least 2,150 people have been infected, with 1,390 recoveries and 7 deaths as of the 10th of August this year. The Minister of Health in a recent interview mentioned that schools might not reopen on time, with COVID infections numbers rising above 40 every day. From the 5th to the 10th of August this year, however, these numbers have declined, thus giving a glimmer of hope with reported cases as low as just 9. Prime Minister Dr. Edouard Ngirente, speaking in Parliament, explained that the reopening of schools will need vigilance. When they go back, where will they sleep? Will these beds be spaced out as part of the social distancing? We are looking at everything from all angles to ensure that by mid-August, in collaboration with the Ministry of Health and other government organs, we have a clearer picture. If this pandemic recedes, then how do we move on? Will everything be in place? All this will be determined with the trend this pandemic shows us. Schools, on the other hand, continue to prepare for the reopening with new classrooms and toilets being built. Fiona Mbabazi reporting for RTV News.